Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of the daily series, and today we're going to talk about the banner cycle and its prediction for 2026 for the S&P 500. So on the screen we have the famous banner cycle. You should Google what it is. I don't have the time to fully explain what it is, but Mr. Banner split the years, certain years that he's calculated. He split them into three categories, okay? And the 2026 year, which is the next year, is in the category B. And as he says, it's years of the good time, high prices, and the time to sell stocks and values of all kinds. So let's have a look at all of the other years he's listed there, okay, over the past 100 years. Let's have a look at 100 years of history. And let's extrapolate from that what it means for 2026, okay? So the first year in this list is 2016. It's this red window. The red window means it's a miss. So that was a wrong calculation. You should not have been selling at all during this year. Then we have another years that he's listed. I have these blue windows, which was that he was exactly correct, and you should have been selling near the end of that year, because after the end of that year, we had some kind of a crash or a decline. Again, blue window, blue window, blue window. Every single time you should have sold at the end of the year. We have then two yellow windows, which is that you should have sold at the start of that year, because during that year we had a crash or a significant correction, okay? And again, blue window. And then last, the very first 2 years in the 100 years of the history window, the first 2 years that he's listed, these were misses. You should not have been selling in 1926 nor in 1935. You should not have been selling there. So what is the total score? Total score of Mr. Banner's for the B years. That the win rate, he was right 73% of times. Can you believe it? Over 100 years, that's an astonishing great win rate. And in 55% of times, you should have been selling near the end of that year. And that's what I believe is the most likely, that we are not going to see the bad 2026, but you need to sell near the end.